How can you assert your constitutional rights? Have you ever wondered how to stand up for your rights? Knowing how to assert your constitutional rights is key to protecting your freedoms. Let's break it down in a simple way. First, understand that constitutional rights are legal protections outlined in the Constitution. These rights limit government power and safeguard individual freedoms. To assert these rights, you can take action both proactively and reactively. A fundamental idea is that a constitutional right without a remedy is not effective. This means you need a way to enforce your rights, usually through the court system. If you believe your rights have been violated, you can file a civil lawsuit against the government or its officials. This is a proactive step. In these lawsuits, you can seek various forms of relief. This could include declaring a law unconstitutional, stopping unlawful actions, or seeking monetary damages. Federal courts often handle these cases, as federal judges may be more inclined to uphold constitutional protections than state courts. On the other hand, you can also assert your rights defensively, especially in criminal cases. If you face criminal charges and believe your rights were violated, such as through illegal search and seizure or denial of due process, you can raise these issues during your trial. The judge must consider your constitutional claims. If they are valid, the judge may dismiss the charges against you. A key principle in asserting your rights is due process, guaranteed by the 5th and 14th Amendments. Due process protects you from unfair government actions that can take away your life, liberty, or property. It requires the government to follow fair procedures. This includes providing notice of actions against you and reasons for them, giving you a chance to be heard, allowing you to present evidence, and ensuring decisions are based only on the evidence presented. You also have the right to be represented by legal counsel. Besides procedural due process, substantive due process protects certain fundamental rights from government interference. These rights include freedom of speech, freedom of religion, the right to bear arms, privacy rights, and others recognized by the courts. To practically assert your rights, start by knowing them clearly. Familiarize yourself with the rights stated in the Bill of Rights and those recognized through due process protections. If you think your rights are being violated, seek legal advice promptly. This will help you understand the best way to challenge the violation. You can also participate in public processes like protests or petitions, while being aware of your rights to free speech and assembly. Keep records and evidence of any rights violations to support your claims. Understanding core constitutional concepts and the principle of constitutionalism helps you recognize when your rights are at risk. Knowing your rights means knowing how to enforce them through established legal procedures.